అందరికీ వినాయక చతుర్థి శుభాకాంక్షలు. So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am UshaBala. So today I am going to show you this hairstyle. This is 9-strand braid hairstyle, super easy, cute hairstyle. Ganesh Chaturthi special. So let's get started with the video. So first of all, comb your hair thoroughly that there are no tangles. And take a side partition like so. Now take bobby pins like this. Okay, now rotate the right side of your hair like and fix it the bobby pin. Take one more bobby pin and secure that there are no loose at all. Okay, now coming to left side, take top section like so in front of your hair and take below the top section like so and cross them each other. Now add some more hair into down section and cross them each other like so. This process continues until reach your ear end. Okay, now rotate the remaining hair like so and secure with a tic tac pin at the back side like. Now gather all our hair into one side. I take my left side like so. Now divide it into 3 equal parts in that hair. Okay, take that first section, leave that remaining 2 sections like so. In that first section, divide it into 3 equal parts and make a reverse 3-strand braid. So the reverse 3-strand braid was, third strand goes under to the middle strand, first strand goes under to the middle strand. This is the reverse 3-strand braid. Braid it some strands like so and pull out that strands like this. It will give nice thicker look of your braid. Now again do it until reach your length of the hair and secure with a rubber band or elastic band. Okay, now take the remaining hair and divide it into 2 equal parts. Do it same procedure, reverse 3-strand braid and secure with a elastic band.
J. Prince. गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुपुरस्तायिने गुरुविक्रमाय तुल्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यगणक्षेत्रे.
Now the 3 braids was completed. These are 9 strands. Okay, now take your left side braid, that is outermost braid, and cross it under the middle braid like so. And take another elastic and secure the 3 braids together. Now remove the previous elastics. Now take bobby pin, small one, and fix it together the braids like so. Take one braid and another braid and secure it with a bobby pin, and take another bobby pin and secure with another strand.
D. J. Prince.
Secure the braids with bobby pin like so as much as possible. How much bobby pins your hair needed. After we fix bobby pins, the braid looks like 9-strand braid. So this is the trick for this hairstyle. Next, take another beautiful hairband and secure that your length of the hair. So this is the super easy 9-strand braid hairstyle. Look at the closer. So no frame on your face, plucking some flecks from your ears. Give a curls on flecks, it will give beautiful look on your face. So this is the 9-strand braid, very easy, super cute hairstyle.
J.
Now I added these flowers on my braid like so. So this is my Ganesh Chaturthi special hairstyle, guys. If you like this video, please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.
D. J. Prince. गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधि